After leaving the Parker Dam behind, we continue our journey, soaring over breathtaking rugged terrain. Each twist and turn reveals the raw beauty of this landscape. Rock formations carved by time, deep valleys, and towering ridges that stretch as far as the eye can see. The colors of the earth below shift with the light, offering a stunning contrast to the deep blue of the sky above. Soon, the Colorado River gracefully reappears, winding its way through the landscape, guiding us as we begin our journey back toward the desert bar. The river's shimmering surface reflects the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and water. It's moments like these, moments of pure freedom and connection with nature, that remind me why I chose this path. My digital business not only provides financial freedom, but also the time freedom to explore and experience the world in ways I never thought possible. This isn't just a flight, it's a celebration of the opportunities that come with living life on your own terms. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible sights and adventures ahead. And if you're curious about how to achieve this kind of freedom, the details are in the description below, or call the 3-minute audio number displayed within the video. I love helping people find success online. Thanks for watching.